everyone. Hope everyone's having a good time. आज संडे था एंड मुंबई का वेदर भी सुबह तो काफ़ी अच्छा था. It was raining and अभी सूर्यदेव बाहर निकले हैं, वरना इसके पहले also was a little grey clouds all across. But yeah, point being, मुंबई का वेदर इतना अच्छा हो रहा था, इतना रोमांटिक हो रहा था, सोचा क्यों ना खुद अकेले ही ड्राइव में निकल चलते हैं. So yeah, I am making the most of my Sunday. I thought I'll just go around Mumbai. Sunday generally morning, afternoon, it's a little comparatively a little less crowd. Although it isn't right now. I mean, if you see, it's crowded. Trucks से लेके cycle हर चीज़ है रास्ते पे. So yeah, I mean, having said that, निकल पड़े ड्राइव पे. I anyways try getting out on drives how much ever possible, because this is a very recent it's a very recent purchase. Because this is a very recent purchase, I bought this not very long ago. I think it's been more than a month now, 2 months almost. But yeah, I mean, इसको चलाने का जो एक्साइटमेंट है ना मुझे मिलता है, सुपर. I mean, before this I had a Honda City, and that was like I don't know, it was like almost it was almost 13 years old, and now I've come to this. It's beautiful. It's like मैं एक चेयर से उठ के एक सोफे पे आके बैठ गया हूँ. It's comfortable, it's nice, it's amazing. So yes, the grey clouds are back. As you can see, tone is gone a little darker, but hey, this is how Mumbai monsoon is like. See, even the fact Mumbai में बारिश अभी बहुत कम होने लगी है. El Nino, El Nina, I don't know which one is right. I know it's El Nino, but yeah, I'd be so wrong if it's El Nina. But anyways, ठीक है, बारिश कम है, but जब हो रही है मेरे को निकलना है, खास करके अगर छुट्टी का दिन हो तो, to make the most of it. And I try not stepping out in the night anymore. I'm trying to be a morning person. It's a very difficult thing, given my sleep schedules. I mean, I love sleeping. I think I am a person who is, अगर लोग alcohol or drugs को addict होते हैं, मैं नींद से addicted हूँ. I think sleep is something which is by far the best thing that can happen to any human, not just me, any human. Think about it. You're sleeping in your room in that perfect sleeping condition, pitch dark, AC or fan 3 की speed पे, रज़ाई या कंबल, whatever you prefer, quilts and all. Such a perfect setup. बस फिर सो जाओ, pin drop silence में सो जाओ मजे से. So yeah, so trying to change myself, trying to become a morning person. इसके लिए on a Sunday morning I am on the highway of Mumbai, Western Express Highway. सिर्फ नाम का है, there's nothing express about this highway. But then yeah, तो ठीक है, अभी जा रहे हैं, थोड़ा मुंबई में घूमेंगे, because nothing better to do, right? I mean, it was a great morning. People who know me, they know for the fact how much I love football, especially when it comes to Lionel Messi. I mean, big fan. And chances are this is the last World Cup with Argentina, and there obviously no other country you can play with. So yes, this is last World Cup, and yeah, I mean, I woke up really early, saw the match. Messi got a free kick, took it, bought it. So yeah, Vasool of the morning. So now I am heading towards the southern part of Mumbai. It's kind of drizzling and everything. So yeah, let's see. Enjoy the drive, enjoy the grey clouds, enjoy the beautiful weather. And तब तक के लिए मैं अपनी थोड़ी सी बकचोदी कम करके थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक डालता हूँ. If you see, this very strange flyover which has been made in the Andheri East, Villepale East area, where there is this one flyover going left hand side, and the one which I'm going on. And the best part about this is that it actually ends up on the same lane. I mean, on the same side of the highway. It's not that that one is gonna go take you anywhere else. It's gonna land you at the same spot. It's gonna get you right on the highway, and it does not make a lot of sense. It does not have its purpose justified yet. But then yes, somewhere it does cut down the traffic during peak hours, especially from the people coming from the international airport, which is in the Andheri east side, all going all the way towards South Bombay or even towards Bandra for that matter. This highway does not let them get stuck. And earlier, before this highway came in, there was always a jam, specifically from people coming from the international airport trying to catch on this flyover. So yeah, I mean, that flyover is something which does not make a lot of sense. But then yes, I get the purpose of it, why it should be there. It does cut down on a lot of traffic, but then yeah, there are a lot of smart Indians who would be driving on the right side of the road, and they would see that the other flyover is empty, so they'll just try changing lanes, like from extreme right to extreme left, causing a lot more traffic. So hence I said purpose शायद पूरा नहीं होएगा, but ठीक है, we're Indians, we make ways. जुगाड़ से तो पूरा देश चल रहा है. ऐसा मैं कोट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. This is just something which I feel. Of course, हमारा देश तो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ों से चल रहा है. I mean, there are a lot of good things. I mean, I am not one of those who crib or complain about my country. I love my country. There are a lot of people who I know, who are working with me over here, who are studying with me over here. I mean, they've just like left the country, gone to the most common ones out there, which is Canada and UK. Because let's face it, Indians generally वहीं जा सकते हैं. It's not like वहाँ जाते हैं, जा तो वहीं सकते हैं. Because West everywhere, it's highly, I would say, restrictive. Specifically the USA, where बेचारे लोग गए थे पर फेंक दिया बाहर. And then countries like Ireland, or probably even Russia, Ukraine, जाते हैं इंडियंस वहाँ भी, स्पेसिफिकली अपना मेडिकल करने के लिए. बट अभी तो थोड़ा वहाँ भी टाइट ही चल रहा है. Thanks to Mr. Putin. But then yeah, so that's that. But then yeah, I don't want to leave India. In fact, I think India is a better country कोई नहीं है. I mean, I know there are a lot of things which are challenge, like हमारे यहाँ पे जो फ्यूल मिलता है उसके लिए हमारी गाड़ियाँ रेडी नहीं है, या फिर हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो है वो up to the mark नहीं है. Like when I say up to the mark, I am looking at countries like Japan, where there is a lot of value also added with the education, not just like आप रटना सिखाओ लोगों को, या फिर एक साथ 8 घंटे एक ग्रुप ऑफ बच्चे लोग को साथ में बिठा देना, ताकि वो लोग यूज टू रहे कि बड़े होके भी एक कमरे में काफ़ी सारे लोग कम से कम 8 से 9 घंटे बैठना होगा. जहाँ से उनको काम करने की आदत पड़ती है. जो ऑब्वियसली कल मंडे ब्लू है तो कल मंडे है तो मंडे ब्लूज होगी सबको. सो या आई मीन है काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ है. जैसे आपको मैं बताना चाहूँगा, ये फ्लाई ओवर जो अगर देख रहे हो, दिस इज सच अ गुड थॉट. आई मीन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ I have been a part of that crowd coming from that side of Mumbai. That's the area is called Kalina. There's also a very famous hotel over there, Grand Hyatt. So anyone coming from that side of Mumbai, which is the eastern side of Mumbai, towards the western side, this is a great hook. I mean, आपको सिर्फ एक फ्लाईओवर पे चढ़ना है, बहुत superb है. You just go on whatever speed you like to go, and the best part is it's also it's open to all commuters. Like I mean, bikes can go on it, rickshaws can go on it. And I say that because there are a lot of flyovers in Mumbai जहाँ पे bikes allowed नहीं है. Rickshaws तो खैर मुंबई में बैंड्रा के आगे आप ऐसे नहीं लेके जा सकते हो, लेकिन बाइक्स अलाउड नहीं है. So yeah, this is one of those few flyovers जहाँ bike allowed है. In fact, there is this one flyover which comes from the same Eastern Express highway, which connects to BKC, and that is a super flyover as well. In fact, that saves a lot of time for people staying on that side of Mumbai, like Chembur or probably even Navi Mumbai. And if in case they have to come down to BKC, superb connectivity, mind-blowing connectivity. In fact, I personally have used it whenever I've gone to Lonavala. I never take the other routes. That's the one which I always take. But now the one which I just spoke of, that's the flyover which I'm going to be taking whenever I'm coming back. It's a game changer. Traffic खत्म कर दी उस जगह में. But then yeah, ठीक है. I love my country, man. Coming back to that point, एक अलग ही feel है इस country का. Lot of people I know, a lot of people who have nagged a lot about it. They have complained a lot about the country, the people. यार बट छोड़ के तो वो लोग भी नहीं जाना चाहते. Not that because opportunities नहीं है बाहर. I mean, obviously, it's not very easy, but and again, it's not very difficult either. There are so many countries who have programs where you just invest in a sum of money, buy a house, and that country is going to give you a resident visa, or probably you become a green card holder, or you have your passport from that country. Point being, है options. लोग जाना नहीं चाहते हैं. सुपर कंट्री है यार. मतलब क्या ही बताऊँ. कंप्लेंट्स तो हर जगह हर एक को कोई ना कोई कंट्री में कोई भी गवर्नमेंट ले होगी. But then yeah, this country is all about its grassroots, its struggles, and yeah, Mumbai on the other hand is another level. मतलब think about it. धूप आ गई पहली बार, but think about it. Mumbai never sleeps. Yet nobody over here is on time. Then too, we all are rushing. God knows to get where, because everybody is stuck in the same jam. But yeah, यार Mumbai एक अलग ही चीज़ है. And now I'm going towards how do I say, the HNI area of Mumbai. Doesn't make sense. High net worth individuals to me. But then yeah, I'm going to the high net worth area. HNA. I'll be taking on the ceiling, and then from there I will be going towards the coastal road. Just have a good spin. And yeah, if you see that, clear day today. I remember during winters I could not see a single skyline over there. Not that you can see anything right now, but then yeah, the car is going to face that direction soon. So yeah, मतलब एक अलग ही clarity मिल रही है, thanks to our okay, plus 80. Thanks to the monsoon, skies are clean. Good, yeah. So this is one of my first videos wherein I'm trying to make a video here, trying to explore my options, how to do it. There is a really grey sky behind, and above me as well, but then sun is very clearly visible. So yeah, I mean, like I was saying, so this is one of my first videos where I'm trying to make some sense with it, and बस बना रहा हूँ जब तक मज़े ले रहा हूँ. And the intention is that most likely by say this December I want to take a drive to Amritsar, and hopefully next June या फिर next July, August, whenever, however, I want to take it to Ladakh. So yeah, let's see. Right, entering the coast Sea Link. So yeah, so I like it how Mumbai is getting connected with the Sea Link, with the coastal road. There's a road which is coming very close to my house, very like literally like I can throw a rock from my house that close. and it's expected to touch the. I mean, not expected. It is going to touch the coastal road, and it is expected to cut down my travel time by almost 20-30 minutes. So today, if in case going towards Colaba, it's going to take me nothing less than say like 40-45 minutes, 40 minutes because of this road now. Yeah, from here it's just showing like another 18 minutes. But then yeah, from my house then Colaba gets like what, like 20-30 minutes max, which now takes nothing less than 1 hour. So yeah, I mean, it has its own perks. It has its own merits, but then I'm not very sure what's the toll going to be on that. Like, how feasible is going to be for a regular commute. But then yeah, drive to लूँगा तो ज़रूर. I mean, how often do you get to drive the car on 80 kilometers constant in Mumbai? It's very rare, very rare. C-Link पे तो मतलब 80 के ऊपर जाना ही बहुत डरावनी चीज़ है. However, on the coastal road, there are some patches where you have to bring it down to 60 as well. That's probably just, I mean, that's just the end of the coastal road where you enter the tunnel. So, हाँ, है तो सही मतलब. Then again, how often in Mumbai do you get to drive your car constantly on the speed of 60? Yeah, it's rare, and it's for car enthusiasts, people who love driving. यार यही एक रास्ता है आपके पास, यही एक राह है जिस पे आप चल सकते हो और चला सकते हो, चल नहीं सकते हो. Yeah, you can probably get fined as well if you're walking on this, or you can't get a two-wheeler on this, you can't get a three-wheeler on this for obvious reasons. Two-wheeler तो I think during monsoon breeze उड़ जाएगी यहाँ पे, हवा इतनी चलती है. So yeah, मतलब merits demerits सब कुछ है ही यहाँ पे. So, देखो how it works. When I entered C-Link, I was like, मैप पे एक बार देखते हैं. मैप में देखा हमने सिद्धिविनायक लिखा था. So I थोड़ा एक लेफ्ट लेके एक डिटोर लेते हैं, थोड़ा एक just pay my respect, and then yeah, मतलब वहाँ पे एक दर्शन करके back on the coastal road, and right in front of me is a Porsche. I'm assuming it's a 911. Looks beautiful, man. That's like, a beast. Probably just not even doing the best it can. Obviously, definitely not doing the best it can. But damn, look at it. Oh, nerdy boy. What a beautiful car, though. Got a beast right under his ass. Not even doing an 80, which is like the limit for this road. Then yeah, back on the coastal road, हाँ baba, not going beyond 80. This car's like a mum. Obviously, I picked up, rather I chose to change the tone of my language. I'm in south part of the Mumbai, and gotta be when in Rome, right? So I gotta be also, right? Man, just थोड़ा सा variation ला रहा था. Of course, have a long way, and that's a BM. I'm not very sure if you could hear that, but damn, I think I should do something on a mic with this cam of mine. काफ़ी कुछ है जो सेटअप करना है मुझे. There's a lot I have to learn as well. This is in fact one of those trial videos which I'm making, so that I get a fair idea before I start with my short trips. So the idea here is that if and when there are long weekends, I want to make the most of it. This weekend was a long weekend, but so I have a slip disc, and this, I think, last Friday or last Saturday, I kind of had an accident. I had an incident where I think the bone probably just shifted a little from its place, and I was on the bed for good 2 days. तो 2 दिन जो मैं दर्द में रहा हूँ, I literally could not even get up properly. मुझे मुझे ही पता है मेरा सर्वाइवल कैसा हो जा रहा है ऐसे दिनों में. But then thanks to medical science, it took I think four sessions. By Wednesday I was a bit mobile, and today I can actually sit and drive, so I'm doing that. And hence I had to go pay my visit to Siddhivinayak. और अच्छा है यार, मतलब कभी कभी ऐसी धार्मिक चीजें कर भी लेनी चाहिए ना. जब इतने सारे पाप करते हैं हम, थोड़े थोड़े अच्छे काम भी कर लेने चाहिए. नॉट दैट आई एम सेइंग आई एम अ पापी और आई डू एनीथिंग पापी स्टफ, बट यही ऐसी यार, जिंदगी ऐसी है. कुछ किसी का अच्छा करने जाता है तो बुरा हो जाता है. लोग बोलते भाई तो नजर लगेगी, अभी उनको क्या पता है भाई, नजर नहीं लगे लोड़े लगे. सॉरी, आई नो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ओल्ड जोक. ठीक है यार, मैं कौन सा यंग रहा. आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक इन माई मिड 30s, 36 to be precise. But when people say age is a number, I strongly believe that age is actually just a number which is definitely not dealing well for me. But I'm good. I mean, 36 की एज पे इतनी क्रेज होना, बैक इशू होना, एंड ऐसे गधे लोग जो गाड़ी चला रहे हो उनका लेन कट करना, ऑल गुड यार. हे buddy, don't wanna see me either. Well, lucky for me, I have a camera. If anything would have gone wrong, everything's getting recorded. A good reason why people should put dash cam and not do such things. But ठीक है यार, डैश कैम भी लगवा लेंगे. पहले हाल फिलहाल ये चीज़ सीख लो मैं ढंग से करना कैसे है, करना क्या है. और करना तो वैसे क्या ही है, मतलब आई मीन आई एम गोना, माय आइडिया इज टू एक्सप्लोर इंडिया हाउ मच एवर आई कैन इन दिस कार. एंड साथ आप लोगों को ले चलूँगा. आप लोग मतलब जितने भी लोग देख रहे हो, इवन इफ इट्स जस्ट वन ऑफ यू हु इज वाचिंग इट, मेरे लिए वो आप रिस्पेक्ट देने वाली बात ही है फिर आपके लिए. And here we're entering the 60 kilometers per hour zone on the coastal road. Just to quickly overtake this guy before I get stuck. Oh, ma'am, sorry. And yes, bringing it down to 60, entering the tunnel. So more or less we're coming to an end of the coastal road. Now Sunday है, रोमांटिक मुंबई का तो अभी ज़्यादा ही हॉट मुंबई हो गया है अभी. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना रीच माई स्पॉट एंड आई एम गोना कॉल इट अ डे. देन आई एम गोना गो सी व्हाट्स द बेस्ट आई कैन डू दिस वीडियो, वर्क ऑन द स्किल्स पॉसिबल, एंड या enjoying my Sunday. Honestly had an amazing start to it. It was Argentina versus should I forgot? Oh, Jordan. Argentina versus Jordan, and it was a very good start for Argentina. We won 3-1. Again, I'm saying we, and just giving a little highlights, just giving a little bit what I experienced. So Messi did not start the match today because since they're already qualified, Messi like, let's give the younger lads a little chance, and that is brilliant, man. I mean, that's a leader, man. That's a leader. So yeah, I mean, he sat back, and then I think right after halftime, he came on the field, and wow, man. I mean, so he got two opportunities to score with a free kick. The first one he missed, which was by a huge margin. I wouldn't even call it close. But the second one, Messi brilliance, man. I mean, low, not extremely low, but not even high for that matter. Swinging in so quick, so smooth. It was just beautiful. Just a typical Sunday morning where Argentina's playing. The kind of days. It's rare, but it's beautiful. So yeah, enjoyed that. I really would appreciate, in fact, if you watched it till here, I mean, if you could just comment and let me know what I should do. Like, this is Mumbai. Where from Mumbai would you like to see me go? Please be feasible. I'm a corporate slave. I have Monday to Saturdays working, but then there are long weekends. Whenever there's a Friday which is a holiday, most likely Saturday is a holiday. And so Saturdays work from home, so hence I call it a long weekend. So yeah, I mean, do comment and let me know, where do you think I should take this beach to. And see, unfortunately अभी तो हाल फिलहाल अकेले ही जा रहा हूँ, and I can't take my dog everywhere because बेचारे को हर जगह एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी, तो वो ऐसा ऑफेंड हो जाएगा ना, फिर मनाओ उसको एंड ऑल, काफ़ी मेहनत है उसमें. सो या इट्स गोइंग टू बी सोलो मी. So I will try keeping my talks more entertaining than this. I'm not really sure how audible I am, so I will try setting up a mic as well, or rather figure this thing out. And साथ ही मैं I think I'm going to I'll see if I can collab with a few more people. When I say collab, I mean invite a few friends, probably do a road trip with them. मेरे को यार ये गोवा, महाबलेश्वर, ये सब मत बोलना, मतलब ये तो काफ़ी कॉमन जगह है. आई वांट टू नो सम यूनिक जेम्स, लाइक जेम्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, वेयर रीचिंग देयर शुड नॉट बी ह्यूज टास्क. लाइक 1.5 दिन समझो पहुंचने में लग गए, फिर 1.5 दिन वापस आने में लग गए. मेरा लॉन्ग वीकेंड तो ऐसी गाड़ी में ख़त्म हो जाएगा. नॉट दैट इट विल बी अ कंप्लेन. आई मीन, आई लव ड्राइविंग, आई लव राइडिंग एज वेल, बट बिकॉज माई बैक आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी रिस्क. एक बार मुझे डॉक्टर क्लियरेंस दे देगा कि भाई बाइक चला सकते हैं, बस तो फिर एक बाइक वाला वीडियो भी बनाऊंगा. ऑफ कोर्स बनाया है, बट आई वाज जस्ट अ ट्रिप टू लोनावला. बट देन या, लाइक आई सेड, लेट मी नो सम हिडन जेम्स व्हिच यू वुड बी अवेयर ऑफ, एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली बी देयर, कीप नो डाउट्स. एंड do share my video if you like it. I mean, not this one, but if anything else. This is not very likable, I'm sure. Excuse me. So yeah, like I was saying, oh okay, I see a few riders. कितने चले भाई? Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, do share this video if in case you like it. If not, then there are a couple of more videos as well wherein I'm attempting humor. If in case you like them, do share them. Do subscribe to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel, and like the video if you really liked it. Even if you didn't, it won't make much of a difference to you, but it might help the cause which I am trying to do this over here with. And yeah, now that I am on Marine Drive, famously known as the Queen's Necklace, which is in the night because it's shaped in a U, and it's lit up in the night, so it looks like a pearl necklace, which was a name which was referred to this road as Queen's Necklace. Hello. And yeah, so I'm on Marine Drive. If in case you can see it, good. If not, if in case you see it, good. If in case you don't, कोई नहीं, मैं आया हूँ यहाँ देखने के लिए. And yeah, I mean, getting it, reaching in the point where I want to visit, sit there, enjoy the heat, and then probably go home. So until next time, and yes, please do let me know if there are any places which is close to Mumbai, inside Maharashtra, Gujarat, which is the next state nearby. But yeah, these two states only I think I can do. Do let me know even if something which is on the way to Goa or something ahead of Goa. Do let me know. Would love to check out those places. And yes, thank you for the love. Thank you for the video if you see it in here. And keep rocking.